What if you could see your entire organization's health at a glance, just like a pilot's dashboard? Imagine having a crystal clear view of not just financial metrics, but every crucial aspect of your business performance. Organizations today are struggling with misaligned strategies and fragmented performance measurement systems. Many focus solely on financial indicators, missing critical drivers of long-term success. This narrow vision leads to short-term thinking and missed opportunities for sustainable growth. Department heads often work in silos, lacking a unified view of organizational goals. Employees feel disconnected from the company's strategy, unsure how their daily work contributes to broader objectives. Teams struggle to prioritize initiatives without a clear understanding of what truly matters to organizational success. This comprehensive course introduces you to a revolutionary framework that translates strategy into action. You'll learn to build a multi-dimensional measurement system that balances financial metrics with customer satisfaction, internal processes, and learning and growth perspectives. Benefits include mastering the 4 perspectives of performance measurement, learning to develop strategic maps, and creating meaningful performance indicators. You'll gain practical skills in strategy execution, performance monitoring, and strategic alignment. Organizations implementing this system experience improved strategy execution, better resource allocation, and enhanced communication of strategic priorities. The framework ensures that all organizational efforts are aligned with strategic objectives, leading to sustainable competitive advantage. For individuals and teams, this means clearer direction and purpose in daily activities. Managers become more effective strategic leaders, while teams gain a better understanding of how their work impacts organizational success. This leads to improved motivation, engagement, and performance. Don't let your strategy remain just a document on the shelf. Join forward-thinking organizations that have transformed their performance management systems. Register now to master this powerful strategic management tool.